Long time no see. Been busy, and it's been again raining and very bad weather. So in the daytime, yeah, it's raining, but the ground is pretty okay. I almost got stuck the other day bringing something down here, so it is a bit of a swamp right now. But got some old massage parlor shop mattress. Only the gods will know what's been happening on old massage shops mattress here in Thailand. Jesus Christ! If they could tell a story, they would be begging for suicide. Yeah, I don't think that's a good story, but still, life in them. They're gonna be used because they are actually pretty solid, pretty yeah, good quality. They are made to hard work. So they're gonna be used as a shield, what you would call it, like a wall. Gonna be three of those, and they are gonna go in today. So this is what it's gonna look like, and then pray to the gods that that everything is done by the books, by my book. So yeah, so this is gonna be still gonna see a little bit of that one, but it's gonna be the last time we see the white car until we get to Denmark, because we are actually getting there within a month. This should be packed and ready to go. So I need to put some hours into this now, and I still need to cut the last of the blue one. But again, you cannot stand there with power tools in the rain, especially not rain like this. So yeah, we've been getting a lot of stuff. Most of it is at the house. I'm probably gonna make a video tomorrow. We went to the best market ever in Bangkok. It was like probably 500 stands of second-hand stuff. Got some big Bridgestone signs and a lot of good stuff. So, but need to make the hard layer here. Girlfriend's gonna is calling, and I don't know how that's gonna affect the video, but yeah. So seat here, and then I'm gonna fill the floor with some wheels. I got wheels there. I got a set of wheels here. I hope can go down and just build a little bit of a hard layer till we come out around here, because I have two bikes that has to come with, two plastic bikes, as I will call them. And then I got an old Yamaha moped thing. Came in yesterday. Fucking super nice guy. Brought it all the way from Bangkok and wanted absolutely nothing for it. That's how it is. Sometimes you do good deals out here, and people are super nice, and then you sometimes get not so good deals, and this is one of the bad deals. Bought those wheels. It's easier to get them home with tires on. So I was out looking for some second-hand used tires, and I think I did a pretty good deal on those. You know, there's still a lot of rubber on them, and not too old, and fits the tire. And we agreed on a price. I paid the price, left the rims there, and I told him I'll come pick up later. And yeah, no problem with all that. And then I come back and see that I don't know, because if I do, I don't know if it's reversed or not, but all the tires says inside on the outside. And you would think that a tire shop knows how to put on wheels. I didn't pay too much for it, so a little bit fuck it, and I paid in advance, so there was not much to do. But the guy was just sitting there doing absolutely nothing, and I told him, fix it. And he said, pay me the same amount one more time. And I said, that's not gonna happen. So he told me to F off, and yeah, that could have ended pretty bad. But again, I will always lose no matter what I do. I can win 1,000 fights, but I will always lose here in Thailand. So there is nothing to do about it. It's just take your shit and go home. So I got 4 good tires mounted the wrong way. So yay! But fuck it. They're ready, and they are ready to go. I'm not gonna fight that anymore. And yeah, so you can meet the Swedish people in this country. They will go through fire for you, and fighting with something else. Always amazed by those. Yeah, that's not what this is about. So yeah, and then there's the typical asshole, but that's how it is. Just wave and smile. So I have to do something. Yeah, see you in the next one.